Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we will be talking about the EFK stack. The EFK stack is a modified version of ELK stack and is comprised of Elasticsearch, Fluentd and Kibana. Elasticsearch is an object store where all logs are stored, and Fluentd gathers logs from the nodes and feeds them to Elasticsearch. Kibana is a web UI for Elasticsearch. Once deployed in a cluster, the stack aggregates log from all nodes and projects into Elasticsearch and provides Kibana a web UI to view any logs. Now let us look at the YAML files. We have elasticstack.yaml, kibana.yaml, which I put in the logging folder. I created a different folder for Fluentd where I have the config.yaml, daemonset.yaml and rbac.yaml. You can go to GitHub and clone the repository and you can get all these files. Now let us go to the terminal. Let me just clear the screen. And go to Fluentd folder and do a listing over there. We have all the YAML files listed here. I'll do a kubectl apply -f followed by a dot. You can see the daemonset service and cluster role binding and everything has been created. Since I'm having it before, it is giving me unchanged. I'll move to the logging folder and here too I'll create a namespace first called logging. Once created, I'll do a kubectl apply. Please do not forget the namespace logging. Kibana is running on 31089. I'll find out the Minikube IP, which is 192.168.64.5. I'll copy it. Now I'll open the browser. We'll click on Explore on my own and go to Management. Now here we'll create an index pattern. Click on Index Patterns and create index pattern. You find Logstash listed over there. You can define the pattern as Logstash. You'll get a success message. You can click on the next step and choose timestamp here and click on index pattern. Now it will create an index pattern for you. It has created an index pattern for Logstash. Now we'll click on discover. You will see the entire logs listed here and you will be having many filters which can be applied by just clicking an add button. You can filter by container image ID, container name, and there are many variety of options. So this is all about EFK stack. Thank you. If you find this video useful, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye for now.